Hi guys, my name is Teng. This video is show about the process to set up the SFTP server configuring.
First, we want to run the following command: sudo apt install OpenSSH.server to install OpenSSH package. But in here, when I install the OpenSSH server, have a problem. So I try to remove the OpenSSH and install again. I use command sudo apt get auto remove OpenSSH client OpenSSH server. Yes, I successfully removed the OpenSSH server. Okay, now I install again. Use command sudo apt get install OpenSSH client OpenSSH server. Then press Y to continue the installation and wait it completely. Yes, we done install the OpenSSH server. Next, we use sudo /etc/init.d/ssh start to check the status SSH server. Okay, yes, it's starting. Or you can check the status of the SSH server with the following command: sudo systemctl status SSH. When you run the command, they will show the output. When the output have active running, the green work, that is already running the SSH server. Next, we need create a group for SFTP user. So I will run the command sudo add group SFTP group. Yes, it's done. After, I need to enable the SSH configured. We need to edit the main SSH configuration file sftconfig, so we can enable login directly as root. So we will run the command following: sudo nano etc/ssh/sshst-config to modify SSH configuration file. Oh, I forget the space. Okay, now can edit the text. Next, we want find the work subsystem. Yes, it's here. Here we want add a pound size in subsystem. Make it to comment and then go to the button we want add a line type is subsystem FFTP internal SFTP is for to run SFTP server in SSH process. Next is mesh group SFTP group. This parameter specifies that the following line will only match the test user. The next is group directory %#. And the next is S11 forwarding node. Is used for disable S11 remove desktop forwarding. And the next is allow TCP forwarding node. Is function for disable TCP connection forwarding. And the last is force command internal SFTP. Is function to force execute the internal SFTP command and ignore any command provided by the client. Next, we want to use Ctrl O to save it, Enter, and Ctrl S to quit. We also can run again the command to check we save it or not. Okay, the configuration is complete. Let's start the SSH server. Use the command sudo service SSH restart. Oh, I write along the service, so I correct it. Next, we want add user in SFTP group. Use the command sudo add user SFTP user dash in group SFTP group dash shell USR spin no login. Set the password. Type again the password. Next, we set the full name is SFTP user and no need to set, just enter and yes. Next, we change the ownership. Use command sudo cloud root /home SFTP user. Next, we create a directory for SFTP user to upload or download inside. Okay, we run command sudo mkdir -home SFTP user SFTR file. Next, we want change permission for the directory. Use the command sudo cloud SFTP user :SFTP group -home SFTP user SFTR file. Okay, it's done. Now we test the uploading something in your directory by using the host. In here, I use WinSCP. You can download it at Google. When we open, we want set the host name is 192.168.16.10 and the username is SFTP user, and key in the password and press the enter and click the login. Yes, we successful the login. Okay, now I can see the SFTR file here. Okay, now we try upload a file. We choose any file, copy and paste in the SFTR file. Press OK. Yes, file is in SFTR file. Okay, now we check in Debian. Use the command cd /home /SFTP user /SFTP file and enter. Next, we use the command ls to check the SFTP file have the content the file. Okay, we can see the file is uploading in Debian. Okay, now we try it if our copy and paste a file in the out of SFTR file is error. That's all in my video. Thanks for watching.